1 Civil Appeal 981 of 2018 etc. Sardar Confucius Imam Kasrani versus Sardar Mir Badshah Khan Kasrani and another.
Mr. Uzair Bandari is here. We had appointed 3 amicus. Ms. Reema Umar could not come. She had just arrived, but she submitted something in writing. ये इनको भी दे दीजिए, ठीक है? And Mr. Uzair Bandari and Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, is he here?
I don't see him in the courtroom, sir.
He did mention that he's got some case in the High Court. So, Attorney General, would you like to continue?
My lord, and I'd take 30 minutes and I'll conclude myself.
Opposed,
My lord.
So, and who else is opposed to the
वो सब्जवारी साहब थे.
Sabzwari sir? We just want to hear your version first, then we can.
Then you can also respond to maybe that may be better than to save time. Ji.
My lord, to start with, there is a writ petition pending before Lahore High Court, Lahore, and in which reply by the Attorney General Office has also been filed. And next date of hearing is 9th of January.
Ji. जी.
आप इधर किस केस में हैं?
Which is your case here?
My lord, I am in 880 of 2015. I am for the respondent number 1 and respondent number 3.
नाम बता दें.
Arif Hussain
Arif Hussain.
versus,
You are for Arif Hussain.
I am for Fayaz Ahmed Khan Gauri and Sajadul Hassan.
एक सेकंड. फयाज
Ahmed Khan Gauri
अहमद खान गौरी
and Sajadul Hassan.
सजादुल हसन.
My lord,
1 and 2 respond.
1 and 3.
3.
And this is civil appeal or civil petition? Which number is it?
Civil appeal arising out of
Civil appeal number?
880
जी. ठीक.
2015,
Arising out of? Arising out of?
arising out of Election Commission's judgment.
ठीक. चलें जी बताइए.
My lord, my first submission is regarding the maintainability of these proceedings, because my lord has clubbed all the cases together. There are appeals as well, and there is a petition under 184(3) by the Supreme Court of Pakistan, and there was objection on that petition, and there was a chamber appeal. That is also fixed here. My first submission is, under what provision of law these proceedings are being conducted? Number 1, are they appeal under Representation of People's Act or Election Act? I am before my lord in appeal under Representation of People's Act. But there is this 184 petition also pending.
आप अपना केस चलाए ना.
मैं अपना केस में चलाता हूँ. My submission is कि इस अपील में माय लॉर्ड ने सारे की सारे पिटीशंस को क्लब किया है.
आप अपना केस चला लीजिए ना. Don't repeat it. We've heard that point.
My lord, my submission is, are my lords exercising power under 187 or 184(3)?
Please proceed with your case.
My lord. My lord, I have 4 submissions.
जी.
अपना नंबर दे दे petition का.
Civil appeal 880.
880.
Civil appeal 880.
Respondents 1 and 3. जी.
My first submission is, the court of law mentioned in Arctic Supreme Court in its appellate jurisdiction. I'll just submit the brief as well.
जी.
The declaration mentioned under section 160 or section 62(1)(f) is outside section 42 of the Specific Relief Act, because Specific Relief Act puts a certain conditions
जी.
to obtain declaration. It has been held by the superior courts that the proceedings under section 42 are not exhaustive. Courts can issue declaration without satisfying the conditions under section 42.
Take,
I rely on two case laws.
Ji.
One is AIR 1967 Supreme Court, 436.
AIR 19?
67 Supreme Court, 436.
Ji.
11.
11.
My lord.
Ji.
It says, in our opinion, Section 42 of the Specific Relief Act is not exhaustive of the cases in which a declaratory decree may be made, and the courts have power to grant such a decree independently of the requirements of the section. The same view has been expressed by Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah while sitting as judge of the Lahore High Court in PLD 2010, Lahore 583. G. That is para 24, my lord.
In the Indian Supreme Court judgment,
My lord,
you have read this line that section 42 is not exhaustive.
not exhaustive.
So let me just ask the question. Is it not exhaustive in terms of the Specific Relief Act or exhaustive with regard to constitutional jurisdiction as well?